We're going to do something simple today. Honey glazed carrots. That's right, honey glazed carrots. So let's get to it. Pot or pan, butter. We're going to let the butter melt. A little brown, that's okay. Now we're going to add our carrot. Boom, carrots added, more butter. Butter added. Now let's mix. Looks good. Mix. Idea here is you want them swishy. You want them really soggy almost to the point where it just melts in your mouth. We're getting there. Last part, honey. A little dab will do you. But that's good. We got the honey in there, let's mix. Now we're just gonna let it sit. We'll let it cook, simmer, do what you need. Boom. Sometimes I like to cap it. Cap it, leaves all the flavor and the juices go flowing inside. Added a pinch of salt. Mix. Almost done. See how soggy these are? That means it's cooked well through and we're ready to plate. Finished product. Honey glazed carrots. Let's try them. Chopsticks. Perfect. Just right. Just right. Honey glazed carrots. Happy cooking.